Hi everybody, I thought I'd make a quick video explaining how to access your Collaborate sessions. I know that some students like using links, but you can actually access the session yourself if you don't have a link. So all you need to do is go into your unit. So I'm going to click on Understanding and Supporting Behavior and enter into my unit, and you can see in the left hand toolbar here within the unit there's something called Collaborate here. So if I click on this tab here on the left hand side, it brings me into Collaborate Ultra and it brings you up onto this screen. Now we can actually access sessions that are still yet to happen, so we can join sessions just by clicking Join Session, which I'll show you in a minute, and we can also access recordings that have happened recently and also recordings that may have happened quite a while ago. So for sessions that are still yet to happen, you can see here that Kay, Julie and Tanya are still waiting to have their Collaborate session. So it's still to come. If I go over to the right hand side, you'll see session options and it has a circle with 3 little dots in there. If I click on that, it says to join session. So if I want to go to that session, I can join it there. I'm not going to do that though, because I'm going to show you the recordings. That will bring me into a separate screen with Collaborate Ultra and I will join that session. Now, if you would like to access recordings, you can come up here to the menu. It's got 3 little lines. I'm just doing a swirl around it now. 3 little lines up in the left-hand corner on this black toolbar. So if I click on that, you can see it brings me up with my name, the sessions that are yet to come, and the recordings. So if I click on recordings, these are the sessions that have happened and are now recorded. So if you would like, for example, the flipped collab, and you would like to listen to that, you also go over to the circle with the 3 little dots and you click on it and it says watch now. You can also go to my session and click on that and watch that one, or you can also go to Kate and Jenny and Ali's recording here. If you have, and now this is not going to be the case because we've just started the teaching period, so we're not going to have a lot of recordings besides these 3, but for future reference, you also have filter by recent recordings. And if you click on this box, it says that you can look up recordings within a range. You can change the dates on these particular things. So I can look up recordings from 6 months ago. If I want to go to February 1st, I'm only going to come up with the 3 that I've already had because we've got a new teaching period. But if, for example, it was the end of the teaching period and I still needed to look up something for assessment 2, I can still go back and find the recordings within the range. So don't forget that that's a possibility up in this top toolbar here. So that's how you access sessions that are still to come, and that's how you access recordings by using this Collaborate session link in the left-hand toolbar. This is what you do if you don't have a link.